How to use conditional formatting in Excel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'll show you how to use conditional formatting in Excel with a sample employee data set. Conditional formatting lets you automatically highlight cells based on rules, which makes it easier to spot patterns, trends, or outliers in your data. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Excel file. And then I have employee data set with employee ID, name, department, role, salary, and location. This will help us highlight things like high salaries, specific departments, and duplicate values. So let's start by highlighting high salaries. So first things first, you'll need to select the salary column. And once you've done that, go to the top and you'll find conditional formatting. Just tap on it and then choose highlight cell rules and then tap on greater than. Now here type in 70,000 or any value that you want to, and then you can choose a format. You can choose from the colors given here. There is light red fill or yellow fill with dark yellow text, green fill, and many more. Just choose the one that you want to, and then once you've done that, hit OK. Now you can see all the salaries that are higher than 70,000 are highlighted in red in color. Now let's use color scale to color by department. Uh, what you can do is you can just select the salary column once more, and then go to conditional formatting again, and then go to color scales. Now, Excel will automatically apply gradient. For example, if you tap on any of the green, yellow, red color scale, then green will be for higher salaries and red for lower salaries, and yellow for average salaries, like the one between the higher and lower. So you can use this color gradient, color scale easily to see salary differences at a glance. So here you can even find duplicate salaries. For that, select the salary column again and then go to conditional formatting, and then tap on highlight cell rules and then go to duplicate values, and then in the color option you can put any option that you want. I'm going to use green fill with dark text and hit OK. Now you can see that the duplicate values are highlighted in green fill with dark text. So this is how you can instantly use conditional formatting to make your data analyzing easier. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.